What was the tragic impact of the Triangle Shirtwaist factory fire? Imagine working in a crowded factory on a busy New York City day, when suddenly a fire erupts. That terrible event happened on March 25, 1911, right in Greenwich Village. The fire started on the 8th floor of the Ash Building, where many young immigrant women worked making shirtwaists. The building had locked doors and poor safety measures, which made escape nearly impossible. Many workers tried to get out but couldn't because the exits were locked to prevent theft and unauthorized breaks. As flames spread, some workers jumped from windows to escape the fire, risking their lives. In all, 146 people lost their lives that day, mostly women aged 14 to 23. The tragedy shocked the city and the nation, with nearly 400,000 people attending a silent funeral procession. The fire revealed how dangerous factory conditions were, especially in sweatshops, and showed the need for better safety rules. It led to a big push for labor reforms in New York State and across the United States. The government created the Factory Investigating Commission to look into factory safety and working conditions. As a result, about 30 new laws were passed to improve safety, regulate working hours, and protect child workers. The fire also helped grow the power of labor unions, especially the International Ladies Garment Workers Union, which fought for better protections. From the perspective of New York State, the tragedy was a turning point. It made clear that the government needed to take responsibility for worker safety. This led to the creation of factory inspections and the Department of Labor to enforce new rules. The building where the fire happened, now called the Brown Building, still stands in Greenwich Village as a reminder of that dark day. Its location connects this historic event to the fabric of New York City life. The fire's impact pushed the city and state to prioritize worker safety and rights, shaping the laws and protections we have today. It is a story of tragedy that sparked change and helped make workplaces safer for everyone.